Aisha, I can't
Hello,
hear
Aisha
you.
B.
Aisha, I can't hear you. Just type in. If you're there with us, or give me a thumbs up. Okay, just type hi, hello, or whatever you want. WhatsApp. Raza, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes.
Very good. Where are your friends? Just try to contact them. It's almost 10:44, and you two are only there.
Okay. Aisha Bhaiya is taking something you you are not in can I am Bhaiya. You know now, then tell why you not. Bhaiya, you are on mute. Something. Bhaiya, you are on mute.
Razia, be on mute. Hi, Abdul Samad.
Hi, Bhaiya.
Hi, Palak.
Hi,
By the way,
Bhaiya.
Abdul Samad, you didn't send me that video poem वाला. हमारा decide हुआ था ना? We are going to challenge the school. क्या हुआ? You're on mute, Baba.
No. भैया मैं
क्या?
भेज रहा हूँ, जा ही नहीं रहा आपको।
नहीं जा रहा है?
नहीं जा रहे हैं। देखो आज लास्ट ट्राई करता हूँ।
लास्ट ट्राई करो, देखते हैं। वो स्कूल वाले पूछ रहे थे मुझे।
हाँ।
देखते हैं, ठीक है? भेजने का ट्राई करो।
या।
Okay, Aisha, I will ask you a question, then only you can talk. It's very good. Thank you for telling me that. Hi, Palak. Okay, Palak, I can hear a robotic voice. So it's okay if we chat. It's okay. You can be on mute, Palak. I know you are facing some network issues. Yes, Abdul Samad, you have raised your hand.
Nothing.
And I have not done anything.
Nothing.
Like I have not even started my lecture and you're raising a hand. That's good engagement. I like that. Hi, Nazma. Hello, Nazma. Hello. Palak, Abdul Samad, be on mute. Okay, I can see you, Palak. A big hi. I guess I'm seeing you for the first time. Hello, Aisha. I can see you. Hello. And I have read all your messages. I can see you, Razia. Hello. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, I don't know how many. Where is Fayaz? Alfisha? Ikra?
Not know
Just
भैया।
message your friends. Just message your friends and ask them where are they. Like, and did you complete that Mentimeter task? Did everyone complete that Mentimeter thing? Your attendance is dependent on that, okay? I know who all have completed. I guess Razia is not, right? I can see her from that smile. Abdul Samad has, I guess. Abdul Samad? Palak, just give me a thumbs up if you have completed the Mentimeter task. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Razia, you completed it. Right. Nazma. Fayaz. Hi, Fayaz. Okay, Fayaz, give me a thumbs up.
This one na भैया.
The Mentimeter task. I had sent the video. See.
Oh, भैया मैंने done. मैंने done.
Okay, Razia. Do it after the class, okay? Or you can do it. Okay, it's okay if you do it after the class. I have only 14 responses, and out of that, 2 are mine. I only typed it. Okay. Are you hearing me twice?
Yes.
Now? No, right?
Yes.
Pranay?
Yes, tell me.
Are you hearing me twice, or my
No,
voice
no.
is cracking or something? No, right?
No, your voice is clear.
Okay, thank you. By the way, say hi to Pranay Bhaiya. He is one of my fellows and one of the bhaiyas like me. Say hi to him. Type hi in chat or whatever.
Hi, Bachas, how are you? I am with your Gaurav Bhaiya. We are all. I am teaching in another school. Yay! Show me some energy. Come on. Yay!
Show some energy to Bhaiya. Come on. Okay, Fayaz is always okay. Aisha has showed some emojis. Very good. I don't know what Abdul Samad is doing. He's stuck. Abdul Samad, off your video. It's fine. Fayaz has shown all the emojis that are available. Fayaz, I can't see you today. Just show me your face today. If your network permits. Very good. Now you can keep your video off. It's okay. Hello. Yes. We'll start in exactly 2 minutes. It's 10:52. We are going to start at 10:54. I'm sorry for being late, but there are not enough kids right now. There are only 8 kids. Can everyone see my screen? Just give me a thumbs up if all of you can see my screen. Give me a virtual or a real thumbs up. Yeah. Fayaz has given me a thumbs up. Aisha, Palak, Aisha, yeah. What about Nazma, Abdul Samad? I guess Abdul Samad has dropped off. That's okay. Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen, okay? You don't have to come off mute. Just give me a thumbs up. Can we start? Give me a thumbs up. All ready to start? Very good. I can see 2, 3, Aisha, Nazma, Razia, Palak, Nikat is joining us. So we'll just wait for a second for Nikat to join us and then we'll start. Okay. I'm hoping that all of you have seen my async videos and you are very clear that what we are going to do. Okay. I made the async videos or the videos that I sent you on WhatsApp so that you are very clear when you come to the class. We are just going to write poems today. Hi Nikat, we are going to start in a minute. Just give me a thumbs up if you are there with me. Nikat, just give me a thumbs up. Very good. Okay, I've got the thumbs up of Nikat and we are going ahead. Okay. So welcome future authors and poets. Okay, this is going to be a very interactive session. Okay, I'm going to speak very less and you are going to speak a lot. Can someone tell me what we did last week? Can someone come off mute and say what we did last week? We had the same posters. Welcome future authors and poets. First of all, we are going to raise hands and then come off mute. Okay, Fayaz has raised his hand first. Fayaz, go.
Yeah, we learn about parts of a leaf, parts of a plant, and taproot, fibrous roots, aerial roots, and how they function.
Very good. I liked your memory, but that was like 2 weeks ago. What was the thing that we learned last week? Abdul Samad wants to give a chance. Yeah. Yeah. We can't hear you, Abdul Samad. If you're saying something, we can't hear you. Fine, mute yourself. Last week, what we did was. Yes,
last week we did a poem about leaves and we work on it.
Very good, very good. Let's snap for Abdul Samad. He and Fayaz also, because Fayaz thought about what we did 2 weeks ago. That's a very good memory. So we learned how to read, right? But we are authors and poets. So authors and poets just don't read. They also need to know how to write, right? So this week, we are going to learn to write a poem. We are going to be a poet this week. Okay. So can someone reiterate the class norms for me? What's the first video? And someone other than Abdul Samad and Fayaz. Raise your hands and then come off mute. What is the first picture means? I see no hands. Oh, that's a surprise. Then I have to call. Yeah, Nazma. You're on mute. Nazma, you're on mute. You're still on mute. Hi Tejas, mute yourself. Palak has raised her hand. Nazma, I'm going to give a chance to you. What is the first norm? The first image or video? Okay, someone has started annotating, which I won't allow. Okay, Palak. Nazma, mute yourself. Palak, go. Palak.
वही देखना पड़ेगा.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah. Answer.
First picture, na?
Yes.
The man is taking photos.
The man is taking a video. Very good. So we are going to keep our video on. Okay. Always. If internet permits or if it is possible, we'll keep our video on because Bhaiya wants to see you. The second is we will all mute yourself. See, Bhaiya only has 2 hands and 2 ears. He can only listen to one person. So if all speak, I can't hear you. So if I start speaking, if Pranoy Bhaiya starts speaking, you can't hear both of us, right? So we are going to raise our hand and then speak. And so all of you mute yourself now. I can see Abdul Samad off mute, Nazma off mute. Mute yourself. Come on, fast. Okay. This Abdul Samad is stuck. That's okay. Nazma, mute yourself. Okay. The third is take your notes. Keep your notebook and pen handy. I will give you 5 seconds to just collect your pen and notebook handy. I can see Fayaz move. Very good. Yeah, I can see Aisha. Give me a thumbs up when you're done with collecting your notebook and your pen, just to take important notes. Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up. He is excited. Abdul Samad, very good, Abdul Samad. Okay, we'll go ahead. So we started with a story. Okay, you know, an alien friend visited me and he wanted to learn many things. Now he's back to his planet, and also I am also ending my institute training, so he has also gone back. But what I thought was, when he's going back, let's give him a poem, right? Let's just tell him how the situation on the earth is, how are we feeling, and let's send him a WhatsApp message. Okay. I Please mute yourself. Razia, mute yourself, please. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write a poem for my alien friend. Okay. There is a do now on your screen. You all have to close your eyes for 10 seconds. And when I say go, not now, what you have to do is, you have to think about 3 professions. What is a profession, by the way? Can someone come off mute and tell me what is a profession?
प्रोफेशन क्या होता है?
Mute yourself. Those are off mute, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Abdul Samad, Nazma, can someone tell me what? Okay, Palak is raising her hand. Fayaz is raising her hand, but I want someone else to answer, because these two have answered it. And Nikat, can you come off mute and answer, Baba? What is the meaning of profession?
Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Okay, Palak, I will wait for 2 minutes. I will just ask the meaning of profession. Fayaz.
Profession.
Nazma, mute yourself, please.
Bhaiya, profession means what the work we do, like our profession is we study. That
Very
is
good.
our work to do.
Very good. Can you tell me some other
And,
professions?
Didi is a teacher, so her profession is teaching us and
Very good.
teacher.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Abdul Samad has raised his hand, but Abdul Samad, sorry for not giving a chance now. You have to go ahead, okay? You are all going to take 15 seconds right now and think about 3 different professions. It can be anything that you can see around you, and you are going to write it down, okay? These can be anything like you want to become when you grow up. You want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer, you want to become something. Get 3 and write it in your notebook and give me a thumbs up when you're done with it, okay? Your time starts now, but before that, someone is going to repeat the instructions. And I want someone to repeat the instructions. Aisha. You're sitting very nicely. I like that. Sitting straight. Yeah.
You say, Bhaiya, what you think about future? We have to write in a notebook.
Okay, that was very close, but you have to just write the name. Okay. If you want to become a doctor, just write doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to become an engineer, just write engineer. Is that clear? Give me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya, can you say again?
Yes, Palak, I can. See, you're going to take 15 seconds or 20 seconds, and you're going to write what you want to become in future. Okay, 3 professions. You want to become doctor, engineer. Someone wants to become a traffic policeman. Someone wants to become a soldier. You have to write 3 things. Was I clear, Palak? Just me give a thumbs up. Your time starts now. All other can write. Okay, I can see Aisha writing. Welcome TFI 123. I can see Nikhat writing, I guess. Fayaz is writing. His mom is looking at him carefully, so that is studying. Very good. He has given me a thumbs up. Abdul Samad is on with a very cool headset. I don't know if he's writing. Abdul Samad? Yes, he is writing. Very good. Nazma is also writing. Aisha has given me a thumbs up. Nikat has given me a thumbs up. Tejas. Tejas.
Yes, Bhaiya.
You're writing?
Yes.
Very good. Just give me a thumbs up when you're done with it, okay?
Yes.
Fayaz has given me a thumbs up. Very good. Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up. Aisha has given me a thumbs up. We are going to wait for more 5 seconds for Tejas. Very good, Nazma. 5, 4, 3.
Yeah.
Yes, Abdul Samad.
What is the name of that job who find histories things?
In
भैया वो लोग जो हिस्ट्री की चीजें फाइंड करते हैं उन लोग को क्या बोलते हैं?
archaeologist.
Yes.
Yes. I can see 2 hands raised. Palak and Abdul Samad, you can lower your hands. Okay. One time is over. I want someone to come off mute and share the 3 pros. Only one person, huh? Only one person. Nikhat. Nikhat. Hello, Nikhat. Okay. Tejas,
Yes, bhaiya.
what you wrote, Baba?
Bhaiya, I wrote I want to become past, like future artist.
Artist. Okay,
Yes.
I can take that. Then, second, you wrote only one.
Yes.
That's fine. You can add more to later. That's fine. Very good. Let's snap for Tejas. Palak is raising her hand. Palak. Palak. Okay. Palak, I can't hear you. Just type in, okay? I'm hearing robotic voice. Just type in, okay? Please. All others on mute. Fast. Abdul Samad, Nazma, TFI 123. All others on mute. Yeah. We are going to go ahead, okay? Just keep that with you. The professions you wrote. We are going to use that. What is our goal today? What we want to study? The goal for us is, can someone read this? I want other than Fayaz and Abdul Samad. I know they are going to participate. Nikhat, come off mute. TFI 123, please mute yourself. I guess your TV is on. Just mute yourself. Nikhat, can you read what's written on the screen? Nikhat. Nikhat.
When will able to edit and draft poem on viewing the pandemic from different people perspective. What is this?
Very good. Very good. Very good, Nikhat. You read it almost perfect. So we will be able to ideate and draft poem on viewing the pandemic from different people's perspective. There are some difficult words, okay? The first thing is we are going to draft poem. So we are going to write poem. So what does it mean? What does ideate mean? Okay. If just hold for a second. Okay. What does ideate mean? Ideate means is to think and form ideas about a particular topic. Okay. So if I give you a particular topic, my favorite game, my favorite sport, okay, you will think about it. All of you will think about it. Okay, this is my favorite sport. It is played there. It has such rules. It has such team. This is in your head right now. This is called forming ideas or thinking about ideas. Can someone come off mute and tell me what does draft mean? I actually told it. Raise your hand before coming off mute. Raise your hand. Palak, Fayaz has raised his hand. I want someone else. Tejas. You're my favorite person today, Tejas. Tejas. Tejas.
Yes, bhaiya.
What does draft mean?
Gaurav, your voice is cracking up. Gaurav, your voice is cracking. I don't think we can hear you. Uh, Kids, can you all hear Gaurav Bhaiya? Please raise your hand or to give a thumbs up if you all can hear him. I need to know because is it me or is it everybody? Thumbs up de do.
Okay, I'm not audible.
Now you are, Gaurav. Few minutes ago you were just completely cracking up. Okay, I'm getting thumbs up so they can hear you. Okay.
Bhaiya,
Bhaiya, now
Yes.
your voice is cutting.
Yes, voice is cutting of Gaurav. ना Gaurav भैया का voice cut हो रहा है.
yes.
Okay, so what we will do is just a minute. Gaurav, we can't hear you. Gaurav bhaiya, we can't hear you. Can you just check if your network is can it? नहीं, you are not audible. अच्छा, so what we will do is wait, I'll just show you my face because otherwise you all don't know who's talking to you. Hello.
And I'm not audible.
Only when you're saying, am I not audible, you are audible. But when you're saying a long sentence, now your words are going like pura break.
Okay, I will try to keep it like this. Okay.
Yeah, just try to keep it like this and try to use little thoda chota sentences. I don't know, maybe when you're using long sentences, your words are just not coming in between. Palak, your hand is raised. Do you want to say something?
Bhaiya, now.
Okay. Gaurav, just try.
Able to hear me now?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up if you are able to hear me now. Okay. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, 2 of 3. Very good. I'm very sorry. I don't know why. Okay. Fayaz, it's okay. We'll do this again. Okay. I'm very sorry. We are shooting time. But what we are going to study today is we will be able to ideate and draft poem on viewing the pandemic from different people's perspective. Okay. So there are some difficult words here like ideate, then draft, then pandemic and perspective. We are first going to see the meaning of what it does ideate mean. Ideate means to form and think about ideas. Okay. When I give you a particular topic, just imagine I give you a topic, my favorite animal. You will think about it. Okay, these are the different animals. Out of this, I like this animal. Why do I like it? Then you will think about what characteristics it have, what are the different properties, right? This is just thinking. You have not written it. This is ideate. You just think about it. Am I clear with this? Give me a thumbs up if everyone has understood this. What does ideate mean? Give me a thumbs up. I can see only one person giving me a thumbs up. 2 person. Alfisha. Welcome, Alfisha. Nikhat. Okay. Can someone come off mute and tell me what does draft mean? Draft. Palak, I know you are raising your hand. I will give you a chance. What does draft mean? Raise your hands. Palak is raising. Palak, go on. Abdul Samad, mute yourself. Palak. Yes, Palak. Okay, I guess Palak is facing some technical issues. Same like me. Palak, it's okay for unmute. Abdul Samad, go on. What does draft mean?
Here draft means preliminary means some parts of writing,
Okay.
piece of writing.
Okay, that's good. Let's snap for Abdul Samad. And I want everyone to raise their hands. Okay, I can only see two people, Fayaz, Abdul Samad, and Palak also raising hand. I want everyone to raise their hands. Okay, so draft means to express a right idea. You have thought about it in ideate part. Draft, now you're going to write about it. Okay, you're going to write on a paper, write with a pen, write in a mobile, you're going to write. So draft is writing. We are going to write a poem today. What does pandemic mean? Pandemic means outbreak of a disease in a wide geographical area. What does this mean? This is a very tough. Okay, if there is a disease, like corona is a disease, it is there everywhere. It is not just there in Mumbai. It is there in India. It is there in Sri Lanka. It is there in Pakistan. It is there in China. It is over a wide geographical area. Like it is there at different parts, in different parts of the world. So that means pandemic. Am I clear? Just give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, Alfish has given me a thumbs up. Aryan, give me a thumbs up. Tejas, give me a thumbs up. Nikhat has given me a thumbs up. Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up. Okay. The last word is perspectives. Okay. Perspective is different point of view. Like if I give you a topic, is chocolate good? Abdul Samad will say it is very tasty. It is very good. And I will be like, no, it's not good. It's not good for my health. Okay. So there can be different views on a particular topic. So these are perspectives. The okay. Before going to actually write poem, I want to tell you what does poem consist of. Am I audible? Abdul Samad, mute yourself. Give me a thumbs up if I'm audible.
TF 1 2 3 is not muting and speaking in the middle.
Abdul Samad, mute yourself. Yeah, please, everyone, mute yourself. TFI 1 2 3. Mute yourself. I can see two people raising hands. Nikhat and TFI. Okay, Nikhat, you have a doubt? Nikhat?
No.
Okay, Nikhat. Am I ready to go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone give me a thumbs up. First, everyone will mute ourselves. We will mute ourselves. Very good. Okay. Before writing a poem, we should understand what poem is, right? I'm going to explain you three things of a poem. Line and sentences, stanza and verses, and what are rhyming words. Okay. These three things I am going to explain you. Have all of you written down this? I sent it to you on WhatsApp in the morning. Just give me a thumbs up if all of you have this in a book, or I'm going to give you 10 seconds to write these things down. Am I audible? By the way, what's your name? Just type it down. I'm not able to identify you. I'm sorry.
Pragati.
Pragati is there. Okay, Pragati. It's okay. Be on mute and keep Pragati. Yeah, I can identify now. Be on mute and off your video. Off your video. Don't keep your video on. It's okay.
Bhaiya, you don't send this poem structure. You only send criteria for feedback. Your poem and questions.
Okay. Take 15 seconds. Write this down. Take 15 seconds and write this down. Fast.
Hello,
I guess Fayaz is writing down. Abdul Samad has taken his book. Nikat is writing down. Very good, Nikat. Palak is writing down. Tejas, mute yourself. Just give me a thumbs up if you're writing down. I know you will be. Just give me a thumbs up.
what we have to write?
The thing that is there on the screen: poem structures, line, sentence, verses, rhyming words. Just three things, nothing else. And give me a thumbs up when you're done with it. Palak has given me a thumbs up. Very good, Palak. Alfisha is raising her, and Alfisha, come off mute and ask.
Bhaiya, before that,
Yes,
what
Alfisha.
you teach, because I joined, will you teach me that again?
Yes, Alfisha. We will do it, but after the class. You're going to wait for 5 minutes, and I will again do it. Okay? Is that okay? Give me a thumbs up. After class, we'll do it for 10 minutes. It was a short introduction. Very good, Alfish.
Bhaiya done.
Very good. Just give me a very good. Now I will go ahead. Okay. I guess everyone is done. I can see 4 thumbs ups, 5 thumbs ups. Very good. What is a line? Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is a poem that I've taken. Okay. Don't read the sentences of the poem. It's not that important. Okay. This is a poem that I've taken from internet. Can you see there are 8 lines to the poem? Can everyone see that? Okay. Very good. Then see the individual line that is there. It is called a line or a sentence. But combination of 4 lines is called a stanza. What is combination of 4 lines called, Nazma?
What bhaiya? Say again, please.
Nikat, who was at, am I audible, or is it my problem, or is it the person who said that?
What you said, stanza ka?
Bhaiya, you're not problem. Bhaiya, your voice is coming proper.
Okay, Fayaz, thank you. Okay, everyone mute yourself. I will repeat it, okay? There are 3 things we are going to discuss about poem today. Line, stanzas, and rhyming words. The first thing is line. There are 8 lines in the poem. Can everyone see that? Give me a thumbs up. The individual line that you can see. There are 8 lines. I can see 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up, 5 thumbs ups. Very good. Alfisha, very good. Very good. See, and when you add those 4 lines, the combination of 4 lines is equal to 1 stanza. Can everyone see that? I've written a stanza there. Can everyone see that? Combination of 4 lines is equal to 1 stanza. Very good. Now, these 2 things are clear. I will again repeat it if someone wants it, okay? Just stop me when I've completed everything, okay? Then there are rhyming words. What are rhyming words now? If you see the second and the 4th line, can someone read the second line for me? Alfisha, you're raising your hand again, and Nikat is raising her hand. Alfisha, come off mute.
Okay, bhaiya. Which line we have to read, bhaiya?
Second line. Please read it for me.
Them be drunk dew from that one only na bhaiya.
Second line. That's the 6th line if you count. Like the first stanza ka second line. He did not know I saw. Okay.
I do not know I saw.
I saw. What is the last word here, Alfisha? What is the last word here? Saw. Very good. Very good. Can someone come off mute and read the 4th line for me, Nikat? Can you read the 4th line for me?
Bit an angle worm in helps and ate the fellows raw.
Raw. Okay. The second line ka end was saw. And the 4th line ka end was saw. Raw. Very good. Very good. I am sorry. Raw. So, when the words have similar sound, okay? Saw, raw, cat, bat, rat, cat.
Bhaiya,
Raspas.
in the second stanza also, second line grass. And 4th line pass.
Very good.
Grass
Very
pass.
good, Fayaz. That's a good observation. Let's snap for Fayaz and Fayaz. Everyone is on mute. Fayaz, Abdul Samad. I know you are very excited to participate. Plus, we will give chance to everyone. Alfisha on mute. Very good. That's a very good observation. So the words which have similar sounds, grass, pass, saw, raw, are rhyming words. So poems consist of these things, okay? They consist of lines, they consist of stanzas, they consist of rhyming words. These are the things that I've learned. I will tell you how to use it ahead, okay? Let's go ahead. Now, all of you are going to put down your pencil, close down your book, and just going to stop doing everything, look at me and listen to me. I am going to write down a poem for you. You're just going to listen. Stop doing everything, okay? Give me a thumbs up when you're ready to go. Put your pencils down and just listen. Relax down. You're going to be teacher for me. You're going to give me marks. Very good. I can see 5 thumbs ups. Perfect. Okay. I can hear a baby crying. Just mute yourself. TFI 1, 2, 3. I don't know what's happening. TFI 1, 2, 3.
Pragati.
Okay. Okay. See, which poem are we going to write today? That's important, right? Which is the poem? We are going to write poem from perspective of doctors, engineers, artists, sweepers, from different professions. What we are going to do is we are going to take 3 professions. I told you to write 3 professions in your notebook, right? All of them have written it down. Give me a thumbs up. Payaz has given me a thumbs up. Very good. Very good. We are going to write poem from this perspectives, like how the pandemic was them, how the pandemic was for them. Okay, like how doctor felt in pandemic, how engineer felt in pandemic, how artist felt in pandemic. Okay, we are going to write one stanza for doctor, one stanza for engineer, one stanza for someone else. But your profession, these are my profession. You are going to write down 3 stanzas for your profession. Are my instructions clear? Give me a thumbs up. This is very important part. Can someone repeat the instructions, please? Aisha, can you repeat the instructions? Aisha? Okay, Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Repeat the instructions.
Bhaiya, you said we are going to write a poem. We choose that what will become when we grow up. We write 3 things. What will grow when we grow up? What will we write? Then we write each sentence on that.
Okay, Abdul Samad, I guess you have got it right, but I will repeat it. Okay, you had written 3 professions in the beginning. Okay, Aisha. Okay, not sure. Very good. You have written 3 professions in the beginning. We are going to write a poem today. We are going to write 3 stanzas. One stanza on each profession. For example, your first profession is a doctor. You will write 1 stanza. That means 4 lines on doctor, 4 lines on engineer, 4 lines on someone else. Okay, what you have chosen? You have to write 3 stanza and 4 lines in 1 stanza. So 4 lines, 4 lines, 4 lines. It will be 12 lines. This is the minimum I want. You can write how many you want after that. This is the minimum thing I want from you. Okay, am I clear? Give me a thumbs up. Nikat, I will take at least 40 minutes. It's okay, Alfisha. I'm giving 10 seconds to write the questions. Who have not written down these questions, take 10 seconds to write the questions down. Tejas, give me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya, can you repeat again one?
Okay, Alfish, I will repeat it again. Okay, was that Alfish or Palak? I don't know, but I will repeat it. Okay. See, I told you to take 3 professions. Alfisha, you are late, I guess, so you don't know. You have to take 3 professions which you want to become in future. Okay, what you want to become in future? It can be doctor, it can be engineer, it can be something else. Whatever you want to. Write down 3 professions in your book, and we are going to write a poem on these 3. Like how these people felt in pandemic. We are going to write it down. So we are going to write 3 stanzas. 1 stanza for doctor, 1 stanza for the second person, 1 stanza for the third person. And each stanza, like first stanza, consists 4 lines. Okay. Am I clear with my instructions? Just give me a thumbs up. Very good. Alfisha, was I clear? Very good. Okay. Now just look at me. These are the questions that I am going to answer to write down a poem. There are 4 questions. Who am I? Where do I work? What do I do? And how has the pandemic affected me? There are 4 questions. Who am I? Where do I work? What do I do? And how has the pandemic affected me? So I wanted to become a traffic policeman. Okay. This is my profession. Okay. I wanted to become a traffic policeman. So I will answer the first question. Who am I? So my answer is I am a traffic policeman. Okay, I am a traffic police. Where do I work? So I will think, where do I work? Where does as a traffic policeman work? I work on roads. I work in police station. I work on highways. I work on different places. But these are the two I have written down. Am I clear till now? Give me a thumbs up. If I'm clear and you're understanding what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. I can see 4 thumbs ups, 5 thumbs ups, 6 thumbs ups. Very good. Now the third question. What was the third question? Third question was this. What do I do? Now, what do I do? As a policeman, what do I do is I whistle, I manage the vehicles on road, I see the traffic signal, if it is red, if it is green, I see everybody, I see every vehicle on the road, if they are obeying rules or not. So what do? I manage the vehicles on the road and I whistle and wave my hand. I wave my hand like this. Okay, you have to go right, you have to go
And
left.
check the that also, that gaadi ke paper, that it is there
Exactly,
or not.
Fayaz. Very good.
And
I
license.
also check vehicle ke papers. Very good, Fayaz. Very good. What is the fourth thing? How has the pandemic affected me? This is a very important question. Okay, my poem has to be on this. Like, how has the pandemic affected me? This is the most important question of our poem. This should be there in a poem. Okay.
Bhaiya,
Now,
what is pandemic?
That's a very good question. Who was that?
Pandemic means like
Yes,
lockdown.
Fayaz. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Bhaiya, pandemic means like lockdown, which is in COVID-19 situation.
Very good. Fayaz, let's snap for someone else wants to answer, like help the friend who has asked the question. I'm not going to answer because I also don't know. Someone else is going to help. Palak is going to help. Palak, go ahead. Palak, you're raising your hand. I can see that. Go ahead, Baba. Okay, Palak can't help. I can understand. Someone else wants to help her. Aisha wants to help.
Bhaiya, I also not know. I ask question.
Okay. Very good. Okay, Abdul Samad has written. I will read it what he has written. The art of representing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface so as to give the right impression of their height, width, depth, and position in relation to each other. I guess Abdul Samad is talking about projection. That is projection, Abdul Samad. What you just mentioned. Pandemic is a disease, okay? A disease which is there in different countries. See, if you have sneeze, okay, if you have fever, it's up to you or your house. That is not a pandemic. It is just there in your house. But take Corona. Corona is there in India. Corona is there in Pakistan. Corona is there in Sri Lanka. Corona is there in Europe. Okay, so it is at a Thailand. It is at a very different geographical places. That is a pandemic. Can someone repeat me? What did I just say? Aisha, come on. Now repeat.
That some who get sick in house, it is not pandemic. Pandemic who has corona is spread on India, Italy, Pakistan and all.
Very good. You are very close. I will give a detailed meaning. Like I will record an audio and send it. Okay, in WhatsApp. We'll go ahead. Okay. So as a traffic policeman, how it has Nazma? I can see you raising your hand. I will give you a chance, Nazma. I will give Alfish also a chance. Nazma, type your chat. I will complete this thing. Okay. See, I choose a profession of traffic police. I am a traffic police. Where do I work? I work on road. I work in police station. What do? I manage the vehicles on the roads. I whistle and I wave my hand. These are the 3 questions I answered. Okay, Hina. Very good, Hina. Nice to see you. Just concentrate, okay, Hina? The 4th question is, how has the pandemic been for me? As a policeman, I think, okay, I'm standing on the roads because I have to see every day, if vehicles are obeying the rules or not. So how has the pandemic been for me? The pandemic has been very tiring as I'm working all day long to ensure that the lockdown is obeyed. This is a tough sentence to understand. Okay, I will break it down. The policeman is thinking he has to stand. Palak, the meeting will end in more 20 minutes at least. Okay. So the pandemic has been very tiring for me. As it is like I have to stand on the road every day. Then I have to ensure the vehicles are obeying the rules, everything, right? So I think these. Out of these 4 sentences, first I write it down in your book, like in my book. And now I'm going to write a poem out of these 4 sentences. Okay, this is the poem I came with. This is my poem. This is not a very good poem, okay, but this is the poem I came with. We are not here to write a good poem right now. We are here to just write a poem. Your poem can be anything. You have to come with 4 sentences. It can have rhyming words. It can't have rhyming words. I don't have any objection. It is your poem. You have to write 4 sentences, but it should consist of profession and how has the pandemic been for us. My poem is this. See, I am a traffic police standing on the road all day and night in sun and cold. The past 6 months have been tiring and not right, but I will not give up and continue the fight. These are the 4 lines I came up with. See, these are the 4 answers that I came up with. I am a traffic policeman. I am working on the roads. I use that on the first sentence. Then what I do, I manage the road. I manage the vehicles. And my last 2 lines are completely on pandemic. The past 6 months have been tiring and not right, but I will not give up and continue the fight. Just give me a thumbs up if you even understood 50% what I just said. Just give me. It is tough. Writing a poem is very tough, okay? But if you are able to write a poem, you will be one of it. It is a very great thing, okay? If you write a poem at the class of 7, it's a very great thing. If someone has any question, please raise your hand and come off mute. I can see Alfisha and Nikhat raising their hands. If you have any question, please ask. Plus, first Alfisha, then Nikhat. Okay, Alfisha.
No, bhaiya, I don't have any question.
Okay, Alfisha. Nikhat? I guess Nikhat also doesn't have any question because she raised her hand. She gave me a thumbs up. So I guess Nikhat, I will wait for 5 seconds. Nikhat, okay. Nikhat is still raising her hand. I will wait for 2 seconds, 1 second, half second, 0 second. What is second question? Okay, Nikhat. Thank you for typing it down. Very good. This is the second question. I will give you more 10 seconds to write this down. I want these questions in your book. These are very important questions. These are the questions on which you are going to write a poem. Please write this down. Nikhat, please write this down. Okay, Baba? Tejas. Okay, Alfisha has finished it. Thank you, Alfisha, for giving me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya,
Who was that? Tejas. Yes, Tejas. Ask.
we have to write these.
These questions. Yes, only questions.
Yes, my done.
Okay, very good, Tejas. Mute yourself and give me a thumbs up. Hina, I can understand you're not able to listen to me. Don't worry. Don't worry, I will get on a call with you, Hina, okay? Just mute yourself.
Okay, we are done.
Very good. Just mute yourself. I will get on a call with you, Hina. Don't worry, okay? I can see you're trying, but it's okay. I can understand the internet problem. Now, I have completed my poem. It's your time to start writing a poem, okay? And listen to me very carefully. You're going to just write 4 lines. Choose one profession. The first profession that you wrote. Okay? Does everyone has a first profession?
It's not me.
Fayaz, what was your first profession, Baba? Yes.
My first profession is pilot.
Very good. Very good. Nazma, what was your first profession? Type it down or say it to me. Okay, Nazma is searching. Nazma, type it down. Nikhat, Nazma, type it down. Okay, I am going to read it. Everyone type their first professions in chat. 10 seconds. I want everyone to type it. This is important for attendance. Nazma, everyone type it. Come on, fast. Alfisha is saying doctor. Palak is saying doctor. Aisha is saying teacher. Mantra is saying doctor. Welcome, Mantra Didi. Nice to see you here. Nikat is saying teacher. Okay. I guess everyone has a profession right now. Listen to me very carefully what you are going to do. Okay. Okay. Fayaz is pilot, guitarist and artist. Very good, Fayaz. I hope you become a pilot. Okay, very good. So you are going to choose the first profession and write down 4 lines. Only 4 lines. How are you going to write down? You are going to first answer these questions. Can you see the 4 questions on your screen? Give me a thumbs up. If you can see 4 questions on your Adil is automobile engineer. Very good, Adil. Very good. I am going to give you 5 minutes. It's 11:39. I am going to call you at 11:45. Answer these 4 questions for your first profession. Just choose one profession and answer these questions. Don't write a poem. Just answer these questions. Your time starts now. Just give me a thumbs up if you understood the instruction. And someone, Tejas is coming off mute and repeating the instruction. Tejas, what did I just say? Tejas?
Yes, bhaiya.
Yes, what did I just say, Baba?
You say now time is 11:38 in I will call for 11:45. You have to write that question's answer in your notebook.
For one profession. For one profession that you choose. If you choose doctor, write the answers for that. Your time starts now. It's 11:40. I will call it 11:45. Very good. You can all off your videos, and please don't off your videos. I want to say you. Start writing. Nazma, start writing. Fayaz is writing very energetically. Aisha is writing. Tejas is also writing. Tina, I am sorry I can't hear you. I will try to type that. Okay. Okay. Please, all of you mute yourself. Tejas, mute yourself. Ina, mute yourself. I will type it down what you have to do. What is 4 question? The meaning of 4 question is, how has the pandemic been for a doctor? For example, if you are choosing doctor, so pandemic में डॉक्टर को कैसे लगा? उसने उन्होंने बहुत काम किया, उनको टायरिंग लगा रहेगा, पर उनको खुशी भी हो रही कि उन्होंने मदद किया. You have to write that. Whatever you think, not this answer. Okay. Thank you, Nikhil.
Bhaiya, what is mean by tiring?
What is mean by?
Bhaiya, we can write more than 4 sentences.
You can write, no problem. Write how much you want. I want minimum 4 sentences. You can write 10 sentences also. I don't mind. Okay. Alfie, you are asking something.
Yeah, what is mean by tiring?
Tiring means थका हुआ. थक जाते हैं ना हम लोग.
Tired.
Yeah. Tired. Yeah.
Hello, bhaiya.
Give me a thumbs up when you're done with it.
Hello, bhaiya.
Yes, someone is asking me something.
But I don't understand that question.
Tejas, is it you?
Yes, bhaiya.
I can't hear you. Speak a little louder.
Bhaiya, in 4th question, I'm not understanding 4th question.
Okay, Tejas. The first question is, how is what you knew the meaning of pandemic or lockdown? Okay, lockdown. So you're in lockdown. तो अभी आप स्टूडेंट हो. अभी आपको कैसा लग रहा है लॉकडाउन में? ऐसा आप अगर प्रोफेशन चूज करेंगे, if you choose a doctor, so how has the lockdown been for a doctor, or the whole disease been for a doctor? To think about that. If you are a doctor right now, how will you feel? Doctor मतलब you are treating corona patients. So how will you feel? Engineer means you are working. Teacher means, see, teacher earlier used to work at school. Now they are working at home. How is teacher feeling? How is Mantra Didi feeling with you? Being with for 3 months. Think about that. Just give me a thumbs up if that was clear. Palak, yeah. Palak, these are the 4 questions. These are the 4 questions, Palak.
You have short
Please
one
mute yourself. Hina, mute yourself.
on the force.
Give me a thumb. Okay, Fayaz, guitarists now, they do shows. They work on they work in cafes. You know cafe, like where you drink coffee. They work at different studios. They work in movies. They can sing songs. So you can write anything. Okay. Okay, Abdul Samad, I guess a lot of are you like confused with the last question. I want everyone to stop working for a minute. Everyone just stop working for a minute, okay? I will explain the last question. I guess that's a bit difficulty, okay? Okay, Nikat is done. Very good, Nikat. The last question is, how has pandemic affected me? Okay, pandemic. Okay, Aisha sent me her poem personally. I will read it, but I will first explain it. That's a very good poem. Aisha is like, she has sent me the sentences. We'll go frame it in a poem. See, how has the pandemic affected me? So, pandemic, I told you, it's a disease that is spread at a wide geographical area. Like it is spread in different countries. In this pandemic, we are all staying at home. So, if you choose a doctor as a profession, you're writing on a doctor. How has the pandemic been for a doctor? डॉक्टर को क्या लगा इस लॉकडाउन में या पैंडेमिक में? अगर आप गिटारिस्ट हो तो गिटारिस्ट को कैसे लगे? गिटारिस्ट ने तो स्टूडियो भी नहीं जा सकता, तो उनका काम बंद हो गया है, तो ही कैन बी वेरी एंग्री ऑल्सो. Or doctor can be very tiring also. Nikat has wrote two profession. Very good, Nikat. You can continue writing. I'm going to give one more. Abdul Samad, was that a bit easier to understand? Give me a thumbs up. Nikat has written about doctors and teachers. Very good. Aisha has sent me her answers, which are very good. Very good, Aisha. I will read it out, okay? Aisha, you can write more if you want. Write more sentences. You have more 1 minute.
Bhaiya, can you tell the pedagogue doctor?
Yes, Aisha. Ankita, what was it?
Pandemic for doctor.
Pandemic for doctor, you have to think, okay? Like what do you think doctor would have felt? Think about it. You're a doctor now. Think about it. It can be anything, okay? There is no right or wrong answer. There is no right or wrong answer. Everything is right here. I will give more 30 seconds. More 30 seconds. More 25 seconds. Fayaz is still writing. Fayaz, very good. I guess you have written a lot. Aisha, it's okay.
Yeah, where
Thank
do
you.
the artists work?
Artists, they also work in studios. They work on stages. They work in movies. They work in serials. They work on YouTube.
How has the pandemic affect me?
I will write they work in studios and YouTube.
Yes. I am very happy that everyone is taking efforts to write. They just give me a thumbs up if you have finished it. We are just going to wait for 5 seconds, okay? Thumbs up. I can see 3 pages. Very good. Abdul Samad and Hina are stuck. Hina, I'm going to call you, okay? Don't worry. I will just call you after the class is over. Just text me or give me a message. Don't worry. Okay. Aisha is coming off mute and sharing her 4 sentences. But listen, everyone stop writing and listening to Aisha. Someone is going to give feedback to Aisha, okay? Feedback. You have to tell. Nikat, I know you are raising her hand. I will give you a chance. See, listen carefully. All of you stop writing. Okay? Very good, Abdul Samad. I am going to read this poem. You are going to give feedback to Aisha. What was the thing that she did good and what is the thing she can improve on? Okay? What is the thing that she did good and what is the thing that they can improve on? And we have to give feedback very politely and very nicely. Our friends should not feel bad. Aisha, it's all yours. Say your poem. Tell your sentence.
I am a teacher. I work in a school. I teach the kids. I will be teacher in the past, present and future. I will be teacher and teacher.
Let's snap for Aisha. Let's snap for Aisha. Fayaz, I am going to give you a chance. Abdul Samad has also. Nikhat, Fayaz, then Abdul Samad. Yes.
I don't understand question.
Nikhat,
He say good.
Nikhat, can you type it down? Please type it down. Fayaz, go. Then Abdul Samad. Fayaz, go.
Bhaiya, my first stanza is I am a pilot. I work on the airport. My work is to fly a plane on the airport. And the pandemic has affected me by I lost my job because I am not able to go to the airport because of the pandemic.
Very
And
good,
my
Fayaz.
second stanza is I am a guitarist. I work in the movies or a show. I play a guitar and sing song. I am not able to go to studios and play guitar because of the pandemic.
Okay,
And
Fayaz. Yes, Fayaz. I will just stop you there. Okay. Okay. Can someone give me Can someone give a feedback to Fayaz? What was right and what he can improve on? I want someone to give a feedback to Fayaz. Palak,
no, bhaiya.
Alfisha,
Yes, bhaiya.
give a feedback to Fayaz. What he did good and what he can do more. But give it in a good way. He shouldn't feel bad. Okay. Whatever you feel.
Okay. So he said good,
Yes.
and he should tell in the proper way. Don't as reading an essay. He should stop and tell in nice way. But he said nice.
Very good. Aisha, a very good
Bhaiya,
feedback. Okay, Payas, take this sportingly.
bhaiya,
Okay,
Bhaiya, I am Alfisha.
bhaiya,
Alfisha, I am very sorry. Okay,
bhaiya, I done.
Abdul Samad, I am going to give a chance to read a poem. Now we are all going to write a poem. You are the first person to read a poem. Okay, Abdul Samad, promise. Very good. Mute yourself. I will give you more 5 minutes to now write a poem out of these sentences that you wrote. It can be a rhyming poem. It cannot. It even if it doesn't contain rhyming word, that's okay. Just try to write a poem in 4 sentences. Only one profession. If you have chosen a pilot, just write on pilot. If you have chosen doctor, if you have chosen automobile engineer, just write 4 lines ka poem. 5 minutes. Then we are going to stop. Okay. This is
Can
also
you
going to be there
repeat,
in
bhaiya?
homework. Yeah, you are going to write a poem of the sentences that you wrote. You have written answers to this question, right? Try to write a poem out of these answers.
Yes.
Is that okay? Give me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya, I am done with all my 3.
Very good. Very good. We will wait for some more people. Give me a thumbs up if you are done.
We have to
Abdul
write a
Samad is
question
going to
of
read a poem, but give me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya, send in chat.
Very good. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Bhaiya, my writing in that.
Okay, please write in chat. I will read it and please read chats. Everyone, those who have finished, read chats. How beautifully people have written poems. See Aisha's poem, see Nikhat's poem. Read chats. Nikhat, very good. Aisha, very good. I liked both the poems. We'll take notes. Can you all hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Can you all hear me? Yeah. With the respect of time, I am going to make this short, okay? Abdul Samad is going to read a poem. Wait. And then someone is going to give a feedback to him. Okay, this was good, but he can do better at this. And the feedback is going to be friendly. We are not going to like shout at him or say him, okay, he has done bad. It has to be friendly and politely, okay? Abdul Samad, go.
I written the line from doctors. I am a doctor. I work in clinic. When patient have fever, I check them with thermometer. And if anybody not come with mask, I'll be sick.
I will read Abdul Samad's poem. I am a doctor. I work in clinic. When patients have fever, I check them with thermometer. And if anybody not come mask, I will be strict. That's a very good poem. Let's snap for Abdul Samad. Everybody, let's snap for Abdul Samad. Can someone come off mute and tell me what is the thing that he has done good and what he can do more? Nothing. Nothing is he can do nothing. He has done everything very good. Can someone come off mute and help Abdul Samad to get a review or a feedback? Please. I don't want Fayaz to do it. Hina, please mute yourself. Aisha, you want to try? Aisha. Adil. Alfisha has also written a poem. Take 1 minute. I want someone to give feedback to Abdul Samad. Alfisha?
Bhaiya, I give.
Yeah, Alfisha, go ahead. Yes, Alfisha, you can give a feedback.
So, he has written a very good poem, but he should have written more about the poem about doctors. So the poem have looked very nice and he has written very well.
Okay, very good Abdul Samad. Very good Alfisha and very good Abdul Samad. My feedback to Abdul Samad is a very good poem. Okay, Alfisha has also everyone has written a very good poem. I'm very impressed. But we are good. We are trying to do more. Okay, I want everybody to at least try to get a rhyming word. Like this. I had rhyming words here.
Yeah, I have also written the rhyming word, na?
Yes. See, roll.
Pandemic, the pandemic.
Right.
Bhaiya, you have stopped because of network problem.
Don't worry, Bhaiya. I think we've gone. Bhaiya has gone like because of network. Still come back. Gaurav, I think you are not audible.
Audible now?
No.
Your voice is clear, but it is
I
very
will call you
slow.
after the class. Okay, class is going on.
Nikhat, your hand is raised. You want to say something? Gaurav, Nikhat wants to say something. I think he's gonna.
But you're audible, but your voice is very slow.
Yes.
Means
No, Gaurav, very soft. Okay, everybody, please put yourself on mute. TFI 1, 2, 3, please put yourself on mute. Because there will be too much noise. Anyways, we are not being able to hear Gaurav, sir.
Am I audible? Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes.
People, give me a thumbs up if I'm audible. Okay.
Voice is very deep.
I am sorry, my internet is going crazy. And I don't know if Nazma is here. Nazma, please call me after the class, not now. Okay, I can pick up your call after the class. You have all written very good poems. Okay, now we are going to end the class. But there is an assessment which I want you to do. You have to choose 3 professions and write down poem for it. 4 lines for each profession, because tomorrow we are going to work on this poem. So before coming to class, I want the poem to be ready. You are going to write 12 lines. 4 lines in one stanza, and one stanza is equal to one profession. Like doctor pe 4 lines, engineer pe 4 lines, then some other profession pe 4 lines. This is the minimum thing you can do. If you want to add more, please add more. No problem. Okay, this is the minimum thing you can do.
And send a picture of that to
And the
Bhaiya.
criteria on WhatsApp, and what you have to do on WhatsApp. Okay, the class has ended, but you have to write your poem. Everyone has to send their poems till 6 o'clock. That's the deadline.
Bhaiya, I am done.
Is my instruction clear? Alfisha is raising her hand. Alfisha, go ahead. Alfisha, go ahead with your question.
You teach me na that I instead.
Alfisha,
Nikhat is also raising hand.
Nikhat is also raising her hand. Nikhat,
Bhaiya, I want to write two
Nikhat.
only. I want to write two only.
Okay, I don't know. Alfisha and Nikhat, please call me if there is any doubt. I want to tell 2 more things. Please wait for me for 2 minutes. Okay, tomorrow there is a test of science. I am going to test you on Zoom call. There will be questions, and you are going to write it down and send the image to me. Please be prepared for science test tomorrow. These marks are going to be counted.
Science one is very.
I'm again repeating. These marks are going to be counted. Please be ready for a science test tomorrow. And I'm going to hold the test. Keep the Zoom call for more 10 minutes, okay? Those who have no doubts can drop off. Those who have doubts, please stay. The call is ended. Thank you for attending the class. You all were brilliant and
Bhaiya, I am done with the writing also, so I
those who have
can
doubts
send
stay.
you na.
Those who don't have doubts can drop off the
Bhaiya,
call.
class
Thank you
photo.
for visiting.
Bhaiya, class photo.
Tomorrow is science exam. Yes. Pranay, let's thank Pranay Bhai who was there with us, and I will take the photograph. Let's thank Pranay Bhai. Pranay, can you come on? Please thank Pranay Bhai and say bye to him. He was there with us for the entire time.
Yes, final exam.
We'll take a photograph. Okay, please smile. Thank you. Thank you, Pranay.
Gaurav,
Yeah.
let me leave and you all take a
You're
picture
a noob,
without me.
Pranay. I'm not.
Yeah, I'll just leave and then you all take a picture without me. Chalo.
Bye bye. Thank you, Pranay. Yeah, someone who has doubt, please stay. Abdul Samad, I can't hear you.
Bhaiya, I can leave the call.
Abdul Samad, call me after the class. I can't hear. Call me after the class. Call me WhatsApp call, okay?
Bhaiya, bye, 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 bye.
Those who have questions, please stay. Those who have questions, please ask me. Fayaz, you have a question? If you have any question, message me on WhatsApp. Asma has any question?
Bhaiya,
Yes,
teacher,
Alfisha.
I'm missing. I missed the.
Alfisha, do you have any question?
Yes, Bhaiya, I missed something when I came late, so I missed. Now can tell what I missed?
Okay. Okay. Just
Bhaiya, I can leave.
yes, Abdul Samad. Class is over. You can
Bye, Bhaiya.
bye, Abdul Samad.
Bye.
Very nice poem. Huh? All wrote a good poem. I like your poem.
Yes, Bhaiya, bye.
Alfisha, you there with me?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. I will share my screen. Okay. Just give me a thumbs up when you can see my screen. Be off mute. Yes. Alfisha? Alfisha?
Yes, भैया.
Yeah. This is the first thing that we did. Welcome.
Yes, but I am here only.
Then class norm. Then do now. Okay. I said do now. This was a do now. You had to think about 3 professions. Professions matlab job. Doctor, engineer, guitarist, artist. Then you have to write down in your book. Okay. Give me a thumbs up or on a video or come off mute. Only we 3 are there. So it's okay if you're on off mute. No problem. Very good. Then what I did was, this was a goal today. Our goal was we will able to ideate and draft poem. Ideate means to think about ideas. And draft me. Yes, Alfisha, question.
भैया, I was there when you teaching it.
So this is the only thing that we did. Is it okay? Yeah, Alfisha?
Yes, it's okay.
If you have any question, just message me on WhatsApp. Fine?
Yes, भैया. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tomorrow there is science test, okay? Alfisha?
Yes.
Okay. Bye. I will see you tomorrow. Send me the homework before 6, okay?
Yes.
Bye. Take care.